I got you right there. Hey, big man. Hey, can I interview you?
No.
What do you think about the water today? Good. How about the weather? Do you think it's a beautiful day? It's a beautiful day outside today?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's real hot.
It's too hot. So
Not
have you
too
have
hot
you been?
right now. Because I'm in the water. The water's super cold.
So do you think where you're sitting right now is safe, young man? Look at that rock.
Yeah, it's safe.
Look at the distance. Do you think it's safe?
Safe from the water.
Safe from the water? What happens if you fall from there now, young man? What are you gonna do?
I won't break my leg.
Boy. Yeah, you want one of these? Don't climb up there like that.
do.
You want one of these?
Yeah.
Here, let's go get it before it melts out. Go.
Hello guys. So today we are going to the splash pad and here's all these snacks that we have here. So I'm going to start with water. I have spring water as you can see right here. And I have another water. I have 3 waters, of course. Okay. Now we have this. And I love this. It tastes so good. Stuff
Let
in.
me see that. So this is the strawberry. Can you guys see that? The strawberry banana right there. Then the next one. Let's see what the next one is. Let's see what that one is. It got elderberries and cranberries.
Okay. Next we have
Mmm.
Twizzlers ice cream bars.
Mmm. Okay, next one.
So we have another ice cream. It's made of, it says fruit bars and then it's strawberries right there.
And here you just get like a whole bunch of like chips and stuff.
Yeah, you know what kind of chips these are.
Yeah.
You already know.
So we're gonna go to the splash pad and we're gonna be
This
doing
is
some
my
snacking.
This is my favorite chips.
So you guys follow us to the splash pad. It is so hot outside today and we're gonna be soaking ourselves in that water, right?
Yeah.
And you got your towels ready. All right, time up. Let's shoot up.
Woo!
Woo!
There used to be another tree right here.
What do you mean there used to be another tree right there? Look at what they're doing right now. Look at what they're doing.
A tree bird. Right there.
There used to be a tree right there. What you mean?
No?
Yeah.
There's no tree.
I got you back there. Why is he covering his face? I'm trying to get this young man. He's covering his face. I don't know why he's covering his face. It is so hot out here. And they just got out getting some sunlight. The water is so cold. I'm not getting in. They are.